Hi there, students. A blizzard. Okay, a blizzard is a violent snowstorm. I believe there are three factors which are essential for something to be defined as a blizzard by weathermen. I think firstly that it's got strong winds. I think it's got to have a wind of more than 35 miles an hour. The second thing, visibility has got to be reduced. The maximum that you are able to see should be 400 meters, but well, very often it's reduced to just a few meters. And the final one is that it should continue for at least 3 hours. Okay, so it's snow with strong winds, and that's the point, and it keeps going for a long time, and you'll find you've got big snowdrifts that build up from that. Now you can also use this word a blizzard to talk about a superabundance of something, a torrent, something that's always coming. So I received a blizzard of complaints when I told a rather unsuitable blue joke. Okay, so a series of them, one after another after another. there there were a blizzard of clients who came into the shop. So a large amount of something that arrives, but all together, or something that's produced all together in a rather confusing or badly organized way. So there were a blizzard of statistics. My boss gave me a blizzard of statistics to analyze. I had a blizzard of paperwork to deal with, an overwhelming rush, a deluge. I received a blizzard of emails about this matter. Okay, so a large number of things that maybe you don't really like them, they annoy you. So notice with this blizzard, if you're using blizzard like this for a large number of things, you're saying, I'm not happy about this. Yeah, it's too many. So at Christmas there are a blizzard of advertisements for children on television. Um, in the past couple of weeks, I've received a blizzard of demands for payment. Okay, a blizzard of new legislation produced by the government. Whoa. Okay, so a blizzard is like a storm or a hurricane of them. Yeah, so the blizzard itself is where you've got lots of snow, reduced visibility, the high winds, and it lasts for 3 hours. But okay, a blizzard. So there was a blizzard of people coming through the door, a blizzard of phone calls, a blizzard of complaints, a blizzard of people coming to give me their opinion. Okay, so a blizzard of something. It's like it's pelting with snow, and that's the idea. Okay, formality, blizzard. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Yeah. And then as to origin, okay, there's an English word blizz, a violent rainstorm. Dialectical blizz in English, a violent blow. Maybe from Old English blisser, a blaze. So lots and lots of it coming together. I've also read that perhaps this originated in the United States, but I don't know. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope it gets a blizzard of views and a blizzard of comments. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Blizzard.